Hello students and hello everyone. Welcome back to English grammar lesson on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you the topic modal auxiliaries. A modal auxiliary is a verb that is used with another verb to express a mood or a tense. A modal auxiliary is also called as helping verb. It helps the main verb to describe an action happened in the past or happening in the present or will happen in the future. A modal auxiliary is a verb that is followed by a main verb. Example of modal auxiliary verbs are can, could, may, might, will, must, would, should. Modal auxiliary verbs are used to show possibility, permission, request, advice, ability, obligation, and determination. Observe the chart of the types of modal auxiliary verbs, its meanings, and its sentences. There are some important rules that you have to follow on the chart of modal auxiliary verbs. Must. The first sentence, modal auxiliary must, shows you obligation. The second sentence, modal auxiliary must, shows you certainty. Next, can. The first sentence, modal auxiliary can, shows you ability. The second sentence, modal auxiliary can, shows you permission. Next, could. The first sentence, modal auxiliary could, shows you ability. The second sentence, modal auxiliary could, shows you permission. Next, may. The first sentence, modal auxiliary may, shows you possibility. The second sentence, modal auxiliary may, shows you permission. Next, might. The first sentence, modal auxiliary might, shows you possibility. The second sentence, modal auxiliary might, shows you permission. Next, should, ought to. The first sentence, modal auxiliary should, ought to, shows you advice. The second sentence, modal auxiliary should, ought to, shows you conclusion. Next, would, will. The first sentence, modal auxiliary would, shows you prediction. The second sentence, modal auxiliary will, shows you request or determination. Modal auxiliary verb will shows you determination, future or request. Now we will take an examples of 3 sentences of modal auxiliary verbs. First one, you can speak now. You have to understand an example of this sentence, which is the modal auxiliary verb. What does modal auxiliary verb shows? The word can is the modal auxiliary verb. Modal auxiliary verb can shows you permission. Next, there might be a thunderstorm this evening. The word might is the modal auxiliary verb. Modal auxiliary verb might shows you possibility. Next, would you turn the volume down please? The word would is the modal auxiliary verb. Modal auxiliary verb would shows you request. Students have to read and write exercise of modal auxiliaries for homework. If you understood modal auxiliaries, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.